Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Ford Explorer. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and pedal memory yield a more personal driving experience. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.